Hi everyone and welcome. So if you have any ACEBOTT STEAM education kit and if you want to program it, okay, then you have to download the ACECODE software or you can program it using Arduino IDE. Okay, but the ACECODE software is just like a blocky programming language, okay, which your children can easily understand. So from where you can download, okay, that thing we are going to see in this video and how you can install it. Okay, so if you have any STEAM kit from ACEBOTT, just like this weather station or smart factory kit, smart car or spider boat, any kit, and if you want to program it, if you want to test it, if you want to learn it, then you can program it using Arduino IDE or ACECODE software. So from where you will get the ACECODE software, so you can visit this ACEBOTT website and then after you can navigate to the software section. Okay, and here you can see ACECODE version 2.0.6, okay, which is available to download for Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and for Mac ARM64 OS. Okay, and here I have my Windows laptop, so I'm going to download it for Windows and then we will see how you can install it. So you can click here to download it. Okay, and here you can see the download is started. I am going to pause this download because I have already downloaded this software on my desktop. Here you can see ACECODE setup Windows. Okay, and initially the software will look like this, so you can program your ACEBOTT kit and you can use it. Okay, and your children can learn it. So here I have already downloaded, so I'm going to extract this. Okay, and then after here you can see ACECODE setup version 2.0.6. So we will double click here to start the installation. Okay, here you can see choose installation location. So in which location you want to install your ACECODE software. So I am going to install that in my D drive. So I'm going to change the location D. Okay, and then we will hit the install button. So here you can see it is getting installed. Okay, and here you can see completing ACECODE setup. So our ACECODE software is successfully installed in our system. Here you can see the icon on my desktop. Now we can double click and open the ACECODE software. And here also you will be having option if you want to run the ACECODE software. So yes, I want to run my ACECODE software. So I'm going to leave this option as it is and we'll just click on the finish button. Okay, so here is the first look of our ACECODE version 2.0.6 software, and you can program ESP32 or ESP8266, both of the board using this software. Okay, here you can see your device is connected or not. Here is the upload mode and here is the online mode. Okay, and here is your blocks to program your ACEBOTT STEAM kits. Okay, so we'll see this working in the future videos, that how you can create the project, how you can program your smart car, your robot, your water ball launcher, everything. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.